Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel, Kevin from Do and Solution. So let's just start to talk about how to select your research topic in Earth observation. When you are third or fourth year undergraduate and someone from the college student, master or PhD student is looking for new topic for publication, research proposal, and the new project. So here is the how to explore a solution, like from the next couple of slides. So first, please explore Earth observation and remote sensing related journal. So they have tons of peer review research journal. For example, like the remote sensing and the water. So those two journal is open access journal. So you don't need like paying to fee of each publication and the paper, and just open the public so anyone can access. So, and especially to those two journal now is turn around the period, like someone asks submit their manuscript, and throughout review process, access and publication, so less than like 3 and 4 months up to 6 months. It's a very quick process. So it is the good way to catch up like the latest research activity related Earth observation and remote sensing. And another one was the cryosphere, like the European EGU journal, European Geoscience journal. So this journal is also open to access to anyone. So like the Earth process and the cryosphere. And the one thing like those journal also can also see during like process of like the review. You can see like the back and forward like the feedback from the reviewer and the question and answer from the scientific community. So these journal also good source of resource. Another one was a remote sensing environment. So IEEE transaction on geoscience and remote sensing, and Journal of Photogrammetry and Remote Sensing Journal, and International Journal of Applied Earth Observation and Geoinformation. So another source of a journal was like the 4 and 5 journal. This is like the full paper, like full manuscript journal. So the starting from the introduction, the background, especially the methodology. I think all of you they're looking for the methodology and with the table and the nice figure and the flowchart. Yeah, this is the exact journal what I am looking for. So at this moment, I also suggest a kind of letter style journal. But however, this letter style journal, for example, like the geophysical research letter or IEEE geoscience and remote sensing letter, so they have very concise compared to full paper. So the English word number like limit is around 3,000 and 4,000. So maybe at the beginning, I'm strongly suggest to start to look at like the full paper, like the paper length, like include all from the beginning to end, and around the 10 or 15 page if you have a double space, like total page like around 30, so around 10,000, less than 10,000 word. So they have a tons of information already included with a nice result and the figure and the table, especially flowchart. So if you have some knowledge about like image processing or the programming skill, so actually you can to start to develop your own algorithm or follow their methodology. So next one, I strongly suggest like what about to use the Google Earth? So many people nowadays to use the Google Earth, and maybe not you already know that. So on the Google Earth, they already include display any area over up to 20 years the data archive in your region of interest. So for example, so here is the like the Sydney, Australia. So if we zoom in the data, for example, the data, if you click here, like click to see historical image from 2005, but some area, like some area have, as I said, like 20 years the data archive. So for example, 2000 and 2009, 2011, so up to recently. So like compared to early 2000, the spatial resolution in the finer and getting higher and higher, and you can access to really good high spatial resolution data. So something you find out already. So next step, start to collect the data, then image process and analysis. So as a next step, processing different data set in your area. So if you have a research site, now start to collect satellite or drone image collect from RGB visible, multispectral, optical, thermal, active and passive microwave sensor, and collected from synthetic aperture radar, the SAR data, with respect to different spatial resolution, spectral resolution, temporal resolution, and radiometric resolution. So this is the like dig in and dig out type of approach. Once you found out any good result from different type of sensor, and then you start to build up your own research path, like the research topic, the direction. So as a next step, so nowadays, so many good paper in peer-reviewed journal, they are willing to the test like to develop satellite and airborne sensor and the technology. So many peer-reviewed journal, the paper related Earth observation and remote sensing. Also, they're going to publish the artificial intelligence related. So maybe you can see like a good new approach, use the machine learning or deep learning algorithm. So otherwise, so please the focusing algorithm develop with a program language like R or Python or IDL and the MATLAB, and also C and C++. related to this topic, so develop like a new feature or function, like include exist commercial application like ORDAS and ER mapper or PCR geomerica or so MB software. So maybe your methodology like the highlight in the exist remote sensing company, and maybe good for you, and continue your research, and or you got a future, maybe you receive a job offer from exist company, or continue like work together. So, and the last one, like as I mentioned briefly like earlier, like the collaborative work. So municipality, government research institute, or like exist the private sector and startup always looking for new technology and methodology from enthusiastic like science and engineer like you. So they could be your funding agent, or you so work together each other in sooner or later in the near future. So they are always waiting for like new method, like a new research team. So it will be like a good solution and the way to find out your topic from the beginning. So maybe the best way like to go to workshop or international conference, or maybe if you have a guest lecture in your department or research institute, so exchange like the business card or introduce each other and start the topic. So in the future, it's never knows. So throughout this collaborative work, and maybe start to discuss about new hardware development and calibration, validate the equipment develop compared to exist remote sensing or observation application methodology, or start a new software application develop or smartphone app. Okay, so what do you think about my suggestion? So please leave your comment and your thought and below this video. And please don't forget to click subscribe and the alarm for this video. And your help is really helpful for my another motivation. So thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.